Hey YouTube, it's Erin and I am the Handbag Housewife and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is an unboxing video. Did you know that? I'm not sure if you could have figured that out. Oh well, I bet you could have. I mean, after all, I have a big box resting on my boob here, so it is an unboxing video. And I am excited, and this is all your fault. I posted on my community page that there were 2 bags that I would love to get, but I wasn't gonna buy them at full price. And guess what you did? One of my lovely subscribers posted that Saks Fifth Avenue was offering $75 off a $300 purchase or more. And that's what this was. And so hence, here is this item. So without further ado, I am going to go ahead, use my Amazon ceramic knife and slice into this beauty. Well, hopefully I won't slice into the beauty. I just want to slice into the box. Hence the advantages of the ceramic knife, where you can limit the amount of knife exposure the interior contents are subjected to. Now this box looks like it got a little bit wet. Hopefully it's just a splash and nothing made it inside. But let's see. And I swear I just opened this, but I don't think I actually made it through the paper. Okay, so the way that it was shaking around in there, I wasn't sure if they even put tissue paper, but they did put a little. They wrapped around, let's see how many pieces. 1 piece of tissue paper, 2 pieces of tissue paper that I got. Oh boy. All right, so you might have noticed that the wrapping paper said Bloomingdale's. So what I did is, because I don't pay tax with Bloomingdale's, I called Bloomingdale's and said, will you price match Saks Fifth Avenue? And they said, yes, of course. So they did. So I got this bag from Bloomingdale's, again, to avoid the tax. And I can tell you right now that I am not happy with how they wrap this. Straps should not be sent like this. This is not good. I mean, heck, I can probably straighten that out, straighten this mess out. But I mean, come on, Bloomingdale's. I've seen them do such good work, but this is not the best work that they have ever had, in my opinion. This beautiful bag is the oak maple, and I think that this is the oak and this is the maple, just because oak wood tends to be a little darker than maple wood, but that is a total guess on my part. It retails for $4.25. I totally don't understand why this retails for more than the all leather version, other than that possibly the jacquard fabric requires more labor. I mean, Dale's Addiction does talk about in her videos the fact that fabric bags kind of get knocked because they're fabric and not leather, and they shouldn't cost as much. But in all reality, sometimes like a tweed is going to cost more to make than a hide will cost to make. So right off the bat, before I sniffed this, I could tell it smelled good. It smells like leather. There's leather wrapped around the side, on the base, on the other side, on the front here. Let's check out the inside. Oh, so I like this. This has a dark brown suede inside. And it seems silly to open this up because it's been the 1941 fabric on all of them but my denim. But again, this is a fabric bag, so I'm curious. So this is sort of a hybrid between the denim and the all leather. So the all leather bags have had what I would consider 1941 fabric. This has got a fabric that's like the denim, so it feels like a cotton type lining as opposed to more of a woven type lining. I'm just gonna look at it up close with my spectacles. Yes, it's definitely just a normal, everyday, run-of-the-mill type fabric. Let me get it real close so you can see. Definitely not a 1941 fabric. The leather is a smooth leather, just like on the leather soft tabbies that I have, but I feel like it is just a little bit hardier. I also think that this top portion, it's not going to be something that one might worry about quite as much in terms of keeping its shape. Because of the leather combined with the jacquard, I feel like you're not gonna see as much shape issues as you would with your denim soft tabby. And the jacquard is gonna be a lot more forgiving with having an item inside that might protrude a bit, because it just, I don't know how to describe it. It just feels like it's thicker, because it just, well, I just don't know. It feels like it's not going to show lumps and bumps as much. Like you might not need an organizer for this one as much as any of the others. So I really like it. I do feel like it's a bit more substantial than the all leather ones, believe it or not. And it's definitely more substantial than the all denim one. And I think that's because of the leather sides and bottom. I do like this. I need to examine her with my spectacles a bit more. Can't look right at you with these, just do the side eye. There's a few little dents in the front there, probably from the strap poking up against it. Nothing that I would necessarily return her over, but I do have a bit of a story to tell about this bag. Because of the poor condition which she was shipped in, I might not keep this one. And my reasoning behind that is that the day after I purchased this, Bloomingdale's started running their Loyalist Rewards promotion. So if I had waited one day to order this bag, I would have earned a $75 gift card on top of the $75 off they gave me and the no tax I got. So I called them and said, can you just apply the rewards to my Loyalist account? And they said, no, but you can order it again. So that's what I did. I have another one of these coming tomorrow. So I'm gonna see if she's any better. I mean, this is good enough to keep. I don't have any major complaints. I mean, honestly, all of my leather soft tabbies have had tiny little bumps or slight imperfections. Again, this leather feels sturdier. There's a little bit of bumping right there that I didn't even see until I got the light on it. And then I guess the only spots that I saw, you probably won't even be able to see. It's right here. Just a little bit of imperfection, but I would keep it if I didn't have one coming tomorrow that I could compare it to. So I'll either keep this one or I'll keep that one. I'm not going to get another one looking for the absolute most perfect soft tabby and jacquard canvas, but she's gorgeous. I don't have really any complaints. I'm glad I got it. The leather is a chocolate brown, really close to the Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene. Let me see if I have any Damier Ebene hanging around here. So look, just a tiny bit lighter than the Damier Ebene on the Louis Vuitton Speedy Bee. It looks like it matches the squares pretty darn well though. So technically this is the one I should send back because this is the one I didn't get the Loyalist points for, and I probably will send this one back. I'm assuming they'll do better tomorrow. I'm optimistic. I'm very positive because I've had such good experiences with Bloomingdale's 99.99% of the time. Let me know what you think of this beauty. I'm Erin. I'm the Handbag Housewife. If you enjoy content like this, please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. If you are, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Go find me on Instagram. The name's the same there. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife. Thanks again and have a fantastic day. Bye.